Oh, you guys know how excited I get about Cedar Creeks. This is a Forest River Riverstone Reserve. This is a Cedar Creek on steroids, and I love it. The excitement level is at an all-time high. All right, 2022 Riverstone Reserve, model number is 3950 FWK. This is a front kitchen, rear bedroom, luxury, pure luxury couples unit. Take a look at the storage back here on a sliding tray, just like a motorhome. We have hung wall construction, just like a motorhome. 3-inch walls with awesome insulation. We got plywood floors, plywood roof. Construction is unreal. Hydraulic leveling system, automatic leveling system. Take a look at these solid steps. These are spring loaded for spring assist. Here's the model number. Haven't had a chance to clean the exterior yet. Just arrived. There's your underbelly storage. It's a little tighter than what I've seen before. However, that storage in the back certainly makes up for it. 40-pound propane tanks that will be filled. It is prepped for a generator. Look at batteries on a slide-out tray. It's the other side of your storage area. Hot water tank, furnace, gray water, black water. More storage, 50 amp power cord on a power auto reel. Incredible. Let's go in. Did I mention dual power awnings with LED lights? Did I mention frameless windows? Did I mention keyless entry? All right, walking into the Riverstone Reserve. Right into the living room. Amazing. Up front, kitchen. All right, I'll try to take my time. I know I usually go pretty quick. If you do have additional questions, feel free to reach out to one of our sales associates and we'll get right back at you with the information you're looking for. There's that quality construction. Take a look at that. Okay, so front kitchen. We have a residential style fridge that does have an ice maker in there. That's a nicer oven than at my house. Samsung microwave. Look at that automotive style windshield. Love it. Another slide right here. Oh my goodness. Solid surface countertops, Corian of course. Storage. More storage. The cabinetry, incredible. All right, so your dining area right here. Of course, you can always put a table right here in the center and eat at that spot too. This sofa turns into a bed. That TV, way bigger than at my house. That sofa turns into a bed. Just take it all in, the quality and the materials that they use. Just beautiful. Look at this door. Bathroom. Medicine cabinets. Super tall ceilings. Skylight. Look at a fan. Absolutely, that's a ceramic toilet. Let's take a look at this shower. There's your drain. You get a seat there to shave your legs. Look at the hardware. Oh, absolutely stunning. Storage, or not there, but here, yes. Beautiful. Bedroom up next. So we're stepping up because of the extra storage that's underneath the bed. Or the bedroom, I should say. Absolutely, that's a king-size bed. That's a Cadet external heater, USB connections, power connections. Got your dresser. Another extra large TV. Let's take a look at the closet. Nice big closet. And of course, this is the area where we're prepped for a washer and dryer, so you could live in this thing. More storage up top. There we go. More up here. Let's open up the back closet. There's your King Connect to boost that Wi-Fi at the campground. That's for your central vacuum system, the hoses. Absolutely awesome. Beautiful burn style door. And as I mentioned before, or no, I may not have mentioned it, you do get 2 extra chairs in this unit. Wowzers. Riverstone. Absolutely amazing. If you're looking for a second home, I think we found it. 80 Convent Street, Moncton, New Brunswick. I hope to see you soon. If you like what you see, please give us a call at 388-5751, or you can send us a text, email, and we can even do FaceTime with you if you want to see more.